Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Monday, December 2nd, 2019. Please rise and place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make this Monday. Please be seated. Celebrating a birthday today, we have Nady Pineda Santos. Happy birthday, Nady. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to stop by my office and get your birthday little present. Today, we are focusing on Rattlers being respectful. I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. And idea number 4 is respect other students' comments, opinions, and ideas. Today you are 100% in uniform, and the rest of this week the weather is actually quite nice. You do not have to bring any extra jackets. You should only have your idea jacket on, and you should have your ID. Today is Monday. You will go back to homeroom for your academic block. Make sure you take this time to check out your uniform. Make sure you have black shoes on. You're wearing the correct pants or skirt or shorts, and you have your belt and your shirt tucked in. Here are some announcements for the next 3 weeks. So just take a glance at your grade level. There are a lot of big exams coming up soon. We also have Saturday school this Saturday and next Saturday. So if you receive a Saturday school invitation, make sure you give it to your parents as soon as possible. All right, and today, well, did you know that walking outside can reduce negative thoughts and boost your self-esteem? This is your health fact of the day. Also, remember, we only have 15 days until our next break, so make sure that you are here every single one of those 15 days, and especially this week. Make sure you are here as we prepare you for some pretty huge exams, and Friday is our raffle. We got some new presents in the raffle. Here's the shout out to the 2nd grade Winter Wonderland dance. That's from 5 to 7, not this Friday, but next Friday. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. And ready? Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a fabulous Monday. Get a magnificent Monday. And remember that choice is all yours. You have 15 days. Make them the best 15 days possible. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Have a great Monday. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call our dojo, message parents of the students who are out, and messages on our ADA GroupMe.